Hi everybody, welcome back to Fanatical About Fans, and we have here today a vintage Vortice Nordik 30 desk fan in blue. Very pleased to have this one here on the channel because it's a fan I've been wanting to have on the channel for quite a long time now. I've always really liked the Vortice brand, as it was often pronounced, as it's obviously an Italian brand. Hence the rather wacky design on these fans. You can see it's got a very angular motor housing at the back, and the design continues down onto the base plate here. And instead of just having your conventional push button interrupters, you've actually got a nice swivel wheel here. So without further ado, I'll show you it in action. Straight away you can hear it's a nice smooth running fan. There's no clicks or anything from the oscillation. The oscillation is engaged, it's just obviously very slow on the setting 1. Now this fan actually enjoys 5-way oscillation, which means that if you need to sort of have the fan oscillating in a slightly different angle, you can always just click the fan over to a different direction and it will oscillate in a different sort of degree angle. You've got to love the Vortice brand logo there with the swirly V. On setting 2. I'm aiming to find a Vortice Nordik 35 at some point. For those of you that don't know, it's the slightly larger model of these with the 4 blades rather than 3. That's quite a sought after fan though, so it may be some time until I manage to source myself one of those. But if anybody knows of one of those going or has one to spare, do let me know down in the comments below. I would be very interested in buying it. But until then, I'm very happy to have this Nordik 30 in the collection. And there's high speed. Once again, a very powerful fan actually, even though the motor is about the same amount of wattage as you would expect from a 12-inch fan. It's the blade design that gives it such good airflow. And actually, if you see the cage, it's been carefully designed so that it allows more airflow through the front than it does around the edges. So it's quite an interesting piece of design actually. Now we'll spin it down. You can always tell if a fan's been looked after through its life from its spin down, and this one is no exception. It's certainly a good example of a Vortice, or Vortice, depending on how you pronounce it. Anyway guys, that concludes today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy, please do make sure to leave a like. Comment down below if you want to see more fan videos of this Vortice fan, and to stay up to date with my videos, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.